This is the Frugal Gardener, and I wanted to stop working to show you guys this. A couple days ago, I put up a new blog, and I explained that I was about to, I'm on my last two steps for this area here. What you see on the left is obviously cut grass. What you see on the right is straw. This is from a company called Thunder Acres. I add this to my, I put it on top of my soil for a couple of reasons I explained during the vlog. And basically, it serves the same purpose. This grass is freshly cut grass, but I also save grass. And even though it turns colors, it's still useful. This is about 3 inches. This is probably about 2 inches. And they both add nutrients to the soil. I've been doing this for about 3 years now. It helps to keep moisture in my garden. A couple of summers ago, I think we only had rain for about 6 days out of the entire summer, and I had to let some of my plants go because the water was ridiculous. Even with my my drip irrigation and with my catchment system, I still couldn't keep up. This is a big help. So what happens now is I put soil on top of this, put my drip irrigation back on top of that, and I'm good to go. This is almost done. About 75% of my garden is done. So at this point, I just stopped to show you this because I'll keep it real simple. This you pay for, this you don't. This is free, this is paid. I'm only using this today basically for demonstration purposes to show you the visual so that you won't forget. I will put the link down to the company, Thunder Acres. I actually don't even need to. I can just show it to you. It's thunderacres.com. That's where I got this from. They sell it on Amazon. I've had this for a couple of years because I basically stopped using it because I use free. You get nutrients into the soil. You get, basically it keeps your soil from compacting, and as I said earlier, it holds moisture. So, like I said, back to work. You guys have a great day. Catch you on the next video.